part one of the whole city getting flooded. And by the way, sorry for this, I'm just gonna delete that. So let's get into it. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna be like playing some like Roblox. Yeah, Roblox sounds fine. Okay. I'm just gonna on my iPad. Perfect. And play. Maybe like talk about like Roblox. I'll probably play like Grow Garden for some reason. Breaking news. There's going to be very heavy rain with a tsunami. So, and it will last for about 2 years. 2 freaking years! What? Anyways, what the heck is gonna happen? 2 years? This can't be right. Okay, there might be a power outage, so I'm gonna charge my iPad and my Apple Pencil. Well, I mean, I don't need an Apple Pencil. I could just like use my breaking news. There's going to be a tsunami and a thunderstorm and a flood. So that's gonna last for about 6 months. Well, good thing it's only 6 months, but that's still a lot. That's very like long. Maybe we could win this game. Yeah, but we always lose because you are. Oh, you're just in time. Dinner's ready. Dinner's ready. Come on, dinner's ready. Aw, ready. I'm still like hungry. Okay. But I am a bit hungry. Yeah, so big bag. Always hungry. Shut up. But where's that? And also, did you get the alert? Oh, you know, not everything on the internet is real. By the way, it's the freaking stove on! Oh my goodness, I forgot to off it. Oh my goodness. Okay, anyways, here's for our breakfast. Well, I mean dinner. Here is some hamburgers. Why is there only 3? Well, I already ate. What did you eat? Just a sandwich? Yeah, but aren't you still hungry because you're big back? Wow. Excuse me. Just one more grounded. Okay, jeez. Okay, now I'm gonna be eating it. Save some for us, big back. Hey, it's also from the genetic from mom. Excuse me? Yeah. Did you hear about the tsunami? Oh my goodness, not that stupid tsunami. Yeah, but it only alerted mine. Okay, I don't care. Oh, I'm just gonna use my breaking news. There's going to be heavy rain and a tsunami. See, Mom? Oh wait, it might be actually real. I told you. I actually told you. Okay, anyways. I'm just gonna eat one my pad. Breaking news. There is gonna be a tsunami with a heavy rain. It's real! It's real! See? Okay, we'll just see tomorrow. But you still have to remember because it might be fake. You have to go back. Okay. Okay, now everyone get in bed. Okay, it's more like I'm a little dead. Plus, I still haven't like. I didn't go to like off my TV. Good night, people. Okay, light off. morning. Whoop, 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 whoop. What the heck is that? Warning, 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 warning. It's fully flooded here at the city of New York City. What? Guys, it's not real. It's not really flooded at New York right now. I repeat, this is not a drill. It's now flooded all around. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, is that true? Okay. You two, you need to come with me. Just look. Oh my goodness! It's so flooded. Oh my god. Wait, should we like decorate it with shells? Well, I mean, yeah, but wait, I can't believe it's actually like not. I can't believe it's like. I actually can't believe it's clear. Okay, now I can put some in this box. This one's like a little glow in the dark, so we should put it here. And these, let's put one here. Let's put one here. And put one here. And one here. Give me some. Here, and this one can be here. And where can we put this? I don't know, maybe here. Okay, and by the way, if you can you like understand that? Ah, it's raining! Everyone get inside. Oh, there's like more shells. Okay, but we'll do that when the rain stops. Whoa, that was just like a little shower. Okay, come on, let's go put the other. Oh, there's one more shell here. Put one there. Nice! Okay, I'm so sorry. I really don't know. Just sorry. I know how bad. I know how low my laugh is. Okay, I understand. Mom, look outside. Okay, jeez. Just off all the light because we should just go through the natural light. Oh my goodness! Wait, I have an idea, Mom. Can we go to Mia's house? Please, 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 please. Okay. Like the new house? Yeah. We can use the boat. Oh yeah, it's just like about next door. Okay. Bye. Okay. Wait, it's raining. I have to get like an umbrella. Do you have an umbrella? Okay, I'll go get you one. I think it's like outside. Okay, here's the umbrella. Thank you. Now. Wow, it's the first time you said thank you. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Can we come? I wanna go with our best friend. Ooh. Me. Oh yeah, okay. Okay. Come on. But I should be on the front because I'm the like who's gonna because I'm the one who's like gonna control the boat. Okay, come on. Let's go. It is still. Oh wait. Oh, it stopped raining. Okay, but either way, it just stopped raining. But I'm just gonna keep the umbrella in case it like rains again. Okay, I'm just gonna go back because like, okay, come on. Okay, now we're here. Whoop. Is that me over there? Bro, it's them. Like, I love it when it floods. I know, right? Like swimming is like the best thing, especially when it's like, especially when it's like very high tide, and I love it because we have these like floaties, and I literally love it. Woo! Drops. Oh my goodness, girl. Glasses drops. Oh. Oh no, this is not good. Why? Because when I drop my when I drop my glasses, I can't see. It's very blurry and I can't barely see anything. Oh, ugh. So I'm gonna go down. Of course, girl. You want me to live? Oh, yes, yes, yes. I do want you. Okay, 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 okay. Well, I mean, I can see, but I do have to take my glasses. But it's okay. I can still see. Okay, I got your glasses. Thank you. Are you guys swimming in the freaking flood? Yes, girl, here. I thought it was like it's been flooding since then, girl. Baby girl, I swear I'm telling. Oh wait, why did I tap on it? Hold on. I'm just gonna make it running again. Perfect. By the way, I didn't got to say this, but I just want to say that please, if you're like gonna copy this, if you're gonna copy this roleplay, please give credits. So you better watch until this. Okay, let's get to it now. Okay. Okay, but I don't want to be in the flood. Oh, come on, it's nothing. Don't make crybabies. Okay, I'm just gonna. Where can I like park my boat? Anywhere. Oh, okay. Well, I guess I'm just gonna. Whoa, that's a big splash. I'm just gonna leave it there. Okay, come on, guys. Literally, did you even bring any clothes? That clothes is trash. Yeah, and why the heck are you wearing pajamas? Yeah, but you were wearing a sweater when you were swimming, dumb. Well, I mean, that is right, but... Okay, I'm just gonna read it. Okay, so what do I want to do? Of course, swim in the flood, stupid. Okay, but I need glasses. Are you blind? Yes, I'm blind when I don't have my freaking glasses. Hello. Well, I mean, that is true. Hey, are you Sophie? Asking me? Yeah. No, I'm Mia. Yeah, and I'm the Sophie. Okay, but Mia. Could we play with Julia? Yes, with Julia. Okay. Julia, get here now! Get here downstairs now. Okay. Now, what the heck do you want, Mia? Look who's here. Look, just look, okay? Look. Hold on. Where am I? Look, hold on. I'm just gonna go. Oh my goodness. Natalia and Gabriella. Okay, come on. We're gonna have the best fun ever. Okay, come on. Now as big girls, yes, definitely call us that. Okay. But as big girls, what do you want to do? Have a water gun fight? That's for babies. What the heck? You know what? Last night at the park, I literally saw someone having a water gun fight with a little infant. An infant? Yeah, girl. Yeah, we were together. Really, without me? Yeah, but you don't have to be that jealousy like that pick-me girl from school. I know, right? Like, I'm literally dying because of that stupid pick-me girl. That pick-me girl is just, ugh. Want to be with her boyfriend all the time. Wait, was it? Yes, that girl. Oh my goodness, she's like the most annoying thing ever. I don't even like, I don't like anyone saying that. Say her name just makes me, ugh. Just make me want to throw up when they say her name. Yeah, like she's so stinky. I know. Like one time I saw her crusty feet. Ugh, just you saying that. Ugh. I know, right? Weird, but definitely best friends. By the way, any drama I should know about? Yes. Okay, good. But all I want to say is maybe we should like go somewhere, like sit somewhere. I know, like my poor legs. Open up. Okay, come on, let's go upstairs. We're going to the second floor. We don't care, okay? We don't care what floor you're going to. Okay, but you don't have to be that mean. I don't give a care. This elevator's like so slow. Like, what the heck? Oh my god. Damn. Oh, dang it. Okay. Come on. Okay, where are we? We should be here at like the loft. Guys, I'm just kidding. It's not Mia's house. I just forgot like Sophie still doesn't have a house, so Sophie can just have this house. By the way, Sophie, what do you like about your new house? I love it. Come on, let's go play in our room with Emma and Emily. Emma and Emily, you said? Yes, of course. Okay, come on. All right. Okay. So, any drama I should know about? You're exactly. Oh my goodness, Julie. You're literally just like my sister. Always say like, what's the drama I should know about? I know I meant you. Okay, come on. We should like watch K-pop Demon Hunters. Sure, I guess. Why? Let me guess. How about let's play a game? Oh yeah, video games. Okay. I'm gonna go like all the CD games. Okay. Wait for me. I'm just so sorry for like getting annoyed every time I go. So this is, I think, the box. So here's like a slot simulator, the dance of the banjo champion, and Papagazzi, and this Sajibori game. Okay, but let's like if there's more. Okay, I'll go check. All right. I'm so happy we found more. We found more. This one can be here. This one can be here. And let's move this a bit here. And put that here. And stupid thing to swamp. Like, hold on. Anyways, which one should be fancy? I think the slot simulators now. You're right, Nyla. For once. Now, does anyone know how to work this? Yeah, like I have mechanics at home. Okay, that you can do it. So, if you might wonder, I'll go say what's like the step by step. First is you have to click this button. It means to on the thingy, whatever you call that. And that means that these wires will be like on, like glowing. And all you gotta do is press this button, and there you go. And grab like the game, the CD. You open it like this, and you get the CD player. Everyone knows that part, Julie. And put that one there, and we can play. See? Well, let's off that first. Let's off the TV. What about the controllers? I think they're done charging. Yeah, you were literally the last. Really, you were the. Oh my goodness, I'm so. I like pressed it on accident, so I'm very, very extra mega sorry just for doing that. Also, I just want to say like thank you so much for 600 subscribers. You guys are the absolute best. If you guys like don't want me to have this much like blah blah blah, I don't care. Okay, let's get some. This one should be nice. I'll get this one. This one is pretty fan. These are all I switch. This is my house. Okay. Which one should be fancy? I like this one. It's pink and pretty. And I want the purple one. Gosh, you guys are just so ugh. Wait, this is like have the same one. I think we should have like the white controller. Okay, I'll have the white one. Okay, I'll go get my my first. Okay, I would like this. I like this black one. It looks pretty ugly. And I want this purple one. We're missing someone. Yeah, just based on that. 2? Yeah. Me. I still haven't got one. Dummy. And we're missing one. Scarlet! Oh yeah, Scarlet. Hold on, where's Scarlet? Hey guys, I'm pretty late. Oh, are you playing games? Is it Slot Simulator? Yeah, dummy. Okay, now, let's go put the CD inside. I know how, shut up, we already know how to use it. Why did it off? Together, so obviously there's going to be like a lot of. Wait, this game is like from 1999. I know, right? Like this game is just like so. Yeah, we should stop playing this. Let's put that back. Let's play the dance off. Okay, me first. Yeah, this is literally nothing. Let's use this dance. This one, this one. Oh. Where's my controller? I think. Oh, this is my controller. Especially me because I'm having a bad maroon controller. Shut up. Okay, let's just see the yoga sounds nice. Oh, not that stupid yoga thing. Yeah, she's very ugly. Okay, let's just use this fast race thingy. Okay, me solo. Everyone helps. Oh, I already told you don't help me. But this is actually a lot of fun. Okay, so what should we do? I actually don't know. We should go to someone else's house. Yeah, but I don't need this in my house. It's not like what? Okay, come on, let's just check. I know earlier I was at like the second floor, but now the first floor. I don't care. Okay, I heard your house got renovated. Yes, it did get renovated. Oh, wait, you want to check with this telescope? Oh, yeah, sure. Okay, I'm gonna go get my telescope. I'm gonna go check out this telescope. I'm gonna give them one each. I'm gonna find where's the other telescope. Maybe I think it's behind this couch. Hold on, I have to move this couch. Hold on, move it. Oh, perfect. There's 3 of us for 3 telescopes. And I'm gonna be like, this one is still like the mega one. So that this one is going to be very detailed. I should have offered them lemonade. I'm gonna be dead. My mom literally said, share the lemonade with your friends. Oh my goodness. I need some stupid sunscreen. Something like for real. So here are the telescopes. So let's go check it. Through this balcony is like very clear. Now whoever's gonna be here is going to be a mega one. I call it. Gosh, it was called the best one. Give someone a try it. Okay, Mia, you can have it. Thanks. Then what about the owner? Yeah, I don't care. Mia can have it. Oh, thanks. Ooh, this looks so good. I can see your rings. Get your, oh my goodness, get your science right. This is like, I swear, like that. Ugh. That is not Saturn, girl. Does it look blue to you? That's Venus. Does that look like, I don't know. Does that look like, oh my god. Guys, I just realized I said the wrong thing. I know Saturn is the one with the ring. I'm so sorry. I'm like so dumb. Like, I'm so sorry. I know. Or maybe I did said it. Or maybe I did said Uranus. Yeah, by the way, that's Saturn. That's Venus, girl. I already told you this one doesn't even have a ring at all. Yeah, like it doesn't look like a ring. This looks like Jupiter? I thought Jupiter was like the other side. Okay, I'm gonna go. Ah! Ah. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I said the best. Bye bye.